I thought the Nice model was super cool. I loved watching how he shot different things out of the atmosphere and how that could possibly change the way Earth is situated. I think it's definitely possible that those orbits have changed. We haven't had enough time to watch. Maybe that will happen again and we will end up in a different position. But I think that that gas giant being shoved out of the atmosphere helped to rearrange our orbits in a way that allowed us to have life as we know it on this planet. I also think that that could happen in other solar systems, that planets can change orbits and things can be shot out of that atmosphere or that orbit and change the way those planets align and possibly provide for life on another planet. We just don't know it yet.